Have you ever wondered how money flows smoothly on online marketplaces or crowdfunding platforms? How do sellers get paid securely while platforms ensure buyers aren't scammed? The answer, my friends, might lie in a company you've never heard of, Lemonway SAS. The problem, trust and friction in online transactions. Think about it. When you buy something online, you're essentially handing over your hard-earned cash to a stranger on the internet. There's a natural layer of distrust, right? What if the product never arrives? What if the seller disappears with your money? This lack of trust creates friction in online transactions. It discourages buyers and makes it difficult for marketplaces and platforms to thrive. That's where Lemonway SAS comes in. Introducing Lemonway SAS, the payment orchestrator. Imagine a maestro conducting a symphony. Lemonway SAS is like that maestro, but instead of instruments, it orchestrates the flow of money in online transactions. They're a pan-European payment institution that specializes in providing secure and compliant payment solutions for marketplaces, alternative finance platforms, and other online businesses. Here's what Lemonway SAS does. Payment processing. They handle all the nitty-gritty of online payments, from secure transactions to fraud prevention. They ensure both buyers and sellers get what they're owed, eliminating that layer of distrust. Wallet management. Lemonway SAS creates secure digital wallets for users on these platforms. This allows for easy storage and transfer of funds within the marketplace ecosystem. Third-party payment. They act as a trusted intermediary, holding onto funds until the transaction is complete. This protects buyers from fraudulent sellers and ensures sellers get paid only when they deliver the goods or services. Think KYC/AML is a buzzword? Lemonway makes it work. Lemonway SAS operates within a KYC/AML, Know Your Customer/anti-money laundering, framework. This means they have robust procedures to verify user identities and prevent financial crime. This is crucial for marketplaces and platforms, ensuring they comply with regulations and maintain a safe and secure environment for everyone. Beyond the basics, the Lemonway advantage. There are plenty of payment processors out there. So, what makes Lemonway SAS special? Focus on marketplaces and fintech. They understand the unique needs of marketplaces and alternative finance platforms. Their solutions are specifically designed to address the challenges faced by these businesses. Scalability and flexibility. Lemonway SAS can grow with your business. Their solutions are adaptable to different business models and transaction volumes. Focus on Europe. They specialize in the European market, understanding the regulatory landscape and providing solutions that comply with European regulations. This is a major advantage for businesses operating in this region. Case studies. How Lemonway SAS empowers businesses. Let's see how Lemonway SAS helps real-world businesses. Imagine a popular online marketplace for handcrafted goods. With Lemonway SAS, sellers can receive payments securely, while buyers are assured their money is protected until they receive their purchase. This fosters trust and encourages more transactions on the platform. Now consider a crowdfunding platform for social impact projects. Lemonway SAS ensures that donations reach the intended recipients transparently. This builds trust with investors and makes the platform more attractive for fundraising. These are just a few examples of how Lemonway SAS empowers businesses across the online marketplace and fintech spectrum. Is Lemonway right for you? If you're running a marketplace, alternative finance platform, or any business that involves complex online transactions, then Lemonway SAS is definitely worth considering. They offer a secure, compliant, and scalable solution that can help you streamline your operations and grow your business. The future of payments, Lemonway in the mix. The world of online payments is constantly evolving. With the rise of new technologies like blockchain and open banking, it will be interesting to see how Lemonway SAS adapts and innovates. One thing's for sure, their focus on security, compliance, and industry expertise makes them a strong contender in the future of online payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.